Welcome to DynaMaker Features, Datasets. Did you know that you can use your own datasets in DynaMaker? In order to use them in DynaMaker, start by having them in a suitable format. JSON format is usually more convenient when you have data with more than 2 dimensions. But for now, we will focus on a typical table in CSV format, as we do here. Once you have it ready, upload it to your application under Files, and make sure to create a dataset manually by clicking Create Dataset. You will then see it under the Datasets section, which means that it's ready to use. Next, go into your component where you want to use it, in this case, assembly. Make sure to import your assets at the top of the code section and simply add it by typing assets.datasets. As you type, you will see all the datasets available from the dashboard. The use of a dataset can vary depending on the application and its configurator. Given the dataset as a table, you can find a column given a row and vice versa, find the maximum value given a range of available sizes, or even create a parameter with certain options. For example, we could start with a function that gets the counterbore diameter given its size. Firstly, we would try to find the row that matches the size by typing screwData.find, allowing us to loop through all the rows until it finds the one that has the same screw size. It's always good to add an error check in case the dataset has inconsistent data. Then, if found, we have all the column properties of that row, allowing us to extract the counterbore diameter in this case. Then we can extrapolate this and create a function for each property, making the dataset easy to handle within DynaMaker. Do you want to know more? Check out our documentation at docs.dynamaker.com.